Hi Elaine, do you think you could tell us a little bit about your experience here at the LifeCo and how it's helped you manage your diabetes condition?
Yes, certainly. I arrived here being type 2 diabetes, insulin dependent for the past 6 years, with very poor health, really, in general health, lots of fatigue, lots of headaches, continued weight gain. So I've been here 28 days now. After day 16, with no medication at all since I arrived, my sugar levels were absolutely normal. I've now lost 22 pounds or 11 kilos with no side effects, no cravings, no hunger pains, absolutely nothing at all. Totally life-changing. Really great food, great tasting, and something you can carry forward really forever. Yeah, so I'd highly recommend it really for anyone for diabetes, because diabetes just ruins your life. Even no matter what medication you're on, it causes so many other problems that stem from it. For myself, I got macular degeneration of my eyes. I've had over 26 injections in my left eye and over 5,000 laser burns on my right eye, all caused through diabetes. So hopefully now, when I go back in March, after 4 months of continuing on this program, I will need no more further treatment at all, because it's only the diabetes causing it. So that's certainly an excellent thing.